This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Craig Williams. Immaculately kept 3.51 townhome in harmony at Lakewood Ranch. The open floor plan is bright with all high-end finishings. The kitchen is contemporary with a large island bar with granite tops and stainless appliances. The master bedroom and bath is on the first floor with walk-in closet. Upstairs there is a magnificent loft with 2 additional bedrooms sharing a common bathroom. There is a large separate storage room enclosed upstairs with plenty of room for luggage, golf clubs or items not kept in your one-car garage. The community includes a resort-style pool with a workout center. This is a great location close to restaurants, shopping, and schools. Hurry, this one will sell fast. For more information, review the details below or contact Craig Williams at 813-340-0956.